I think I'm gonna change to the Guggen bait.
We'll go to that corner.
All right, we're not gonna catch anything here.
I don't know.
I'm still gonna change the baits. I'm gonna try to get under that dock. Ow! Holy, that is hot. Perfect cast. I'm getting hit. If you put the waterproof case on it. I do. I have everything for it. Oh my gosh. This is deep.
Yeah. Surprised the anchor.
No, he didn't.
Yeah.
Oh. I've gotten hit every time I put it to the bottom.
Oh, wait, Mason.
Yeah.
Mason.
Yeah. I know. I want you to do it. You can do it.
No, like the line's like not even on.
Get my telescopic rod and just cut it off and put a jig. I showed you how to do it. You can do it.
Mason, this is like broken.
I know. I showed you how to do that.
Oh, I know.
Let me. Oh, Aaron, no! You good? Yeah, this looks like a bass spot.
Oh, right down there.
Really? I'm gonna flip right there. Hey, try not to bang the. Really? Try not to bang the lure and stuff on the thing.
Hey, get the pedal.
Shh. Why? Why? Where are we going?
Just turn this back. Don't be stuck.
Oh, I had one. Yeah. Stop. Stop it.
What am I doing?
Watch out. We need to back up. You're about to catch one. Please catch him. Well, I gotten like 3 bites today. Might need to back up a little bit. Huh?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
There's a bunch of this brim just following it. They were tiny though. I saw it come up.
Hey, if there's tiny brim, there's big brim. That's the life facts.
Watch when we get over that white part. You'll see brim following it. Don't cast. Oh,
Sorry.
I got you. No.
Yeah, you do. Oh, no, you don't.
No. Just watch. Don't cast. Just watch. You'll see brim following it. Oh, yeah, I got a bump.
That idiot right there threw it on top of the person's.
Watch me catch something.
Idiot. That was good, guys.
God, no wonder I'm not catching anything.
Why?
It's all tangled up in the line.
How? Alright, I just caught this fish. Sorry I didn't get on camera, but that, look at that. That is a fat belly fish. He's been eating minnows. Just look at that fish. That's a pretty fish. Alright, I'm gonna release him right here. Oh, just.
See you later, buddy. There it goes.